In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on a VPS using HostPapa. This quick tutorial will walk you through the necessary steps to get your WordPress site up and running smoothly. Let's get started. First, we need to log into HostPapa, so go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to hostpapa.com/dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, find the VPS dashboard under your hosting plan and click on that. It's where you'll manage your VPS and find the server details necessary for the installation. Next, let's access your VPS server. In the VPS dashboard, locate the server details. Depending on your VPS setup, you can access the server via SSH or cPanel through WHM. For SSH access, Windows users can use PuTTY, while Mac and Linux users can use the terminal application. Once you have your terminal open, enter the command ssh root your/vps/ip. This will connect you directly to your server. Now make sure your VPS has the required software installed to support WordPress. You should have a web server such as Apache or Nginx. For instance, on an Ubuntu system, you can update the package list by typing sudo apt update in your terminal. This ensures that your server is ready for the next steps. With the server set up, it's time to create a database for WordPress. Log into MySQL by entering MySQL uroot.p and provide your MySQL password. Once inside, create a new database by typing create database WordPress/db. Also, make sure to create a user to access this database with appropriate privileges. Now let's download and prepare WordPress for installation. Visit the official WordPress website and download the latest version. Once downloaded, unzip the WordPress package. In your terminal, you can do this by running unzip latest.zip. Move the unzip files to your web root directory. For Apache, that's typically /var www html. Yes. Use the command sudo mv wordpress var www/8ml to move everything into place. We're almost there. Let's configure WordPress by renaming the wp-config-sample.php file to wp-config.php with the command mv wp-config-sample wp-config.php. Open this file in a text editor and input your database details like database name, username, and password to ensure WordPress can access your data. Finally, setting the correct permissions is crucial for WordPress to function properly. Change the ownership of the web root directory by executing sudo chown r www.data www.data-var www/html/. The last step is to complete the installation through your web browser. Open your domain or VPS IP in a browser, and the WordPress setup wizard will guide you through the rest. Enter your site's title, admin username, password, and email. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Install WordPress button, and there you have it.